Hey, what's going on guys, this is Bruno and I hope you guys are doing okay. In today's video, I want to share with you guys my very simple setup that I have here at home, and I have to admit it does the job really well. So if this sounds interesting to you guys, go ahead, like the video right now, subscribe, and of course guys, everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed down in the description, so make sure to check it out for any item or gadget that I mentioned in this video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. The monitor in this setup is the Acer 24-inch LED backlit LCD monitor, which I think is great for the price. It comes at about $80 if not less right now. This monitor also supports full HD display and comes with one DVI input, one VGA input, as well as one HDMI input. The only bad thing about this setup that I can say is that it does not have a built-in speakers. But for the price, I think it's a bargain and you guys should go ahead and grab one of those. As for the keyboard, I'm rocking the Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. However, in this setup I won't be using the mouse that it comes with it, just because I have a different mouse. But this keyboard is a very simple yet reliable keyboard with adjustable height, which is something that I actually like. As well, it does have a very long lasting batteries. The keyboard has these convenient buttons that allow you to instantly control your music, access your calculator, and many more. The keyboard is also very quiet when you're typing, which again is a bonus and I like it. So my mouse of choice is this black mouse by a company called Pantuangson. I think that's how you pronounce it. It supports up to 2400 dots per inch with 5 adjustable levels, which is incredible and very useful for home as well as office users. The mouse comes with 6 buttons and that includes the scrolling button. And it has this back and forward button, which I think is great if you're someone who browses through the internet a lot. It just makes the whole browsing experience a lot easier. The mouse automatically turns on the power saving mode to save energy when the mouse is not being used over a minute period of time. And finally, one thing that I think about this mouse, I think it's quite comfortable, and I like the fact that it feels kind of ergonomic for my personal use, and that's something that I would recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase for £7 only, quite cheap for $8. So yeah. Everything that you see guys here is powered up by this amazing 15-inch HP laptop that I own. The laptop specs are quite simple. This laptop is an i3 processor laptop. It comes with 8GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage, which I think is great for my personal use as well for YouTube. On the right side of this laptop, we have the power inputs along with the Ethernet input, a HDMI output, a USB port, as well as an SD card reader. On the other side, we have 2 extra USB ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a disk tray, which can be convenient at times. I have had this laptop for more than 4 years and I have to say it does the job just really well, and it's supported me throughout my entire time at university, and I think it's incredible. I think it's a bargain for a less than $400. I think you guys should go ahead and grab it. So the table that I'm currently using is this table that I grabbed from IKEA. Again, I don't know the name, but I'll find it on a link down in the description. The table was quite simple. Actually, I got the top and the legs separately because it really matched what I wanted. So yeah, I think it was very easy to set up, and you guys should definitely grab a table because it's convenient and it helps a lot when it comes to the uni work or whatever thing you have to do, whatever work you need to work on. So the chair I'm currently using is actually my kitchen chair. I didn't go ahead and buy a fancy chair just because I didn't think it was necessary, but I do have this chair from my kitchen and I think it's comfortable enough. I put some cushions on it and it works really well for me. Really, that's it. So guys, everything I'm about to show you guys now is actually extra stuff you may need. I don't think you need it, but it'll be helpful if you have anyways. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So my headphones of choice are the Sony's WH-1000X-M3. I like them because they are comfortable and they are great when editing YouTube video. Not just that, when you listen to music in general, it's just incredible because of the noise cancellation. And one thing that I like a lot on these headphones is the fact that it has a very good 20 plus hours of battery life. So there's a lot of stuff here on my desk that I don't need to mention, like the Google Home Mini, because everyone knows about it, and my camera gears. This is what I use. These are my camera gear, as well as my lens. A couple of stuff here from that I got when I go traveling. And I want to mention about this clock that I have here. This wooden clock is from this company called Next, which is the company I actually did my placement at. I just love this modern look this clock provides, and it looks great on my table. So this is pretty much my setup. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. You know, if you guys fancy an item or two from this list, don't forget I'll list everything down below in the description. So go ahead and check it out. And if you guys like to see more videos like this, I would like if you guys can give it a like right now to this video, subscribe so you don't miss any video that I post in the future. And really guys, I just want to say thank you if you watched all the way to this end. I want to say thank you very much. I do appreciate you, and please let's strive it together. Hope you guys have a good one, and I catch you in the future. Peace.